Hey, what's up? You know, I have tested many wireless earbuds on our channel, Tech Brothers, and it really is the most revolutionary product of the last few years. In 2022, you can buy good wireless earbuds for only $20. That was impossible just 5 years ago. Even with all the features of wireless earbuds, most of them are not very suitable for active sports. For example, running. And this is because only few wireless earbuds provide really secure fit. In addition, most wireless earbuds block out ambient sounds, so you may not hear a car, cyclist, or other danger on the street. It is believed that bone conduction headphones are the best for sports, because they deliver the sound through the cheekbone. Let's check it out with the new headphones from MOJAWA. They have Bluetooth 5.0 technology, dual noise-canceling microphone, IP67 Waterproof Rating, and 8 hours of battery life on a single charge. Before we start the review, please subscribe to our channel, Tech Brothers, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications about the new videos. MOJAWA bone conduction headphones come in this box. We can read the features of the headphones on the back, such as open ear design, Alula-Safety Reminder, AINC, voice assistant, and others. Inside the box are the headphones themselves, an extra reflective strip. The first one is already installed on the headphones. By the way, this is all a safety reminder, we will talk about it a little later. We also have a magnetic charging cable, earplugs, and user manual in the package. You can use the earplugs if you don't want to hear the noise in the street, but then you lose one of the main features of the bone conduction headphones, I mean an open ear design. You know, the design of all bone conduction headphones is similar. They have a neckband and 2 sound blocks. As I already said, one of the main features of MOJAWA headphones is the reflective strip on the neckband. The manufacturer calls it Alula-Safety Reminder. It makes you more visible in the dark. This is a useful feature for those who run in the evenings. MOJAWA headphones have a soft titanium body, which makes it very lightweight, only 35 grams. From my experience, I can say that the headphones do not feel on the head, so they are comfortable to use for a long time. Moreover, after a while, about half an hour, you even forget that you are wearing the headphones. Perhaps this is one of the main advantages of the bone conduction headphones over wireless headphones or earbuds. As already said, these are headphones for sports, so they have IP67 Waterproof Rating. You can use them in the rain, or even wash them under the running water. Talking about controls, MOJAWA bone conduction headphones have a big multifunction button on the left ear. And there is also a volume up and down and power button on the right ear, but closer to the neckband. I think everything is clear with these buttons. However, I need to tell you about the multifunction button. By the way, it is physical, not touch. In my opinion, this is a big advantage, because it is not very convenient to use touch buttons during sports. So the first, you can click once to pause the music, a double click on these buttons switches to the next track, a triple click switches to the previous track. You can also answer the phone call using multifunction button. You just need to click once on the headphones. If you want to hang on the call, then press and hold the button for 2 seconds. So MOJAWA bone conduction headphones have all necessary controls, including volume control and switch tracks. That's very good. You know, I think it doesn't make sense to do a latency test of these headphones, because they are not designed for mobile gaming. But to be honest, I don't really know how to test latency on them, because they deliver audio through the cheekbone. However, I am very interested in microphone quality. Let's check it out. Hey guys, I'm testing the microphone quality of MOJAWA bone conduction headphones. As you can understand, I am not running because my voice is flat. In fact, I am in my studio. Do you hear me well? Write in the comments below. Thank you. Talking about sound quality, I have noticed that the headphones are not very tight to the head. To be honest, I'm not sure if they should be tight. However, when you press them to the head, the sound is much louder and clearer. You know, in my case, it is wrong to compare over-ear headphones with bone conduction ones. They have completely different sound delivery technologies. Unfortunately, the sound through the bones will never be as good as the sound through the ear canal. After all, we hear with our ears, not bones, right? Also, we don't pay much attention to the music quality when we do in sports. However, I want to note a good bass in MOJAWA headphones. The battery is another feature of the most bone conduction headphones, because they are bigger than wireless earbuds. MOJAWA headphones have 8 hours of battery life on a single charge, and up to 7 days in standby time. There is also a magnetic charging port, so you can quickly and easily put the headphones on the charge. A full battery charge takes about 1 hour and 30 minutes. So what do you think of MOJAWA headphones? First, these and other bone conduction headphones are not suitable for audiophiles. I mean those people who value sound quality more than anything else. Unfortunately, the bone conduction headphones will never have better sound quality than over-ear headphones and earphones. However, they have other advantages, such as open ear designed for safety during sports activities, such as running, amazing comfort, IP67 waterproof, and long battery life. By the way, have you ever tried bone conduction headphones? Write in the comments below. Thank you for watching, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, Tech Brothers.